Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 7, Fractions. In this video, we are going to learn finding fractions. Example 1. To find half. That means find 1 by 2 of 10 blue balls. Dear kids, here we have 10 blue balls are there. We are going to find out half of the blue balls. To find half, that means you are going to find 1 by 2 of what? Send it. Dear kids, we are going to solve in this question step by step. To find 1 by 2 of 10, we multiply the numerator 1 by the given whole number 10 and then divide the product 10 by the denominator 2. 1 by 2 of 10 equal to what? That is a question. Isn't it? Here of means multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but int. Isn't it? Therefore 1 by 2 into 10. Here first you are going to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Here the numerator 1 into 10 equal to 10. The denominator 2 into 1 equal to 2. Therefore 10 divided by 2. We know the division 10 divided by 2. That means how many 2's are there in 10? Yes, 5 2's are there in 10. Isn't it? That means 5 into 2 equal to 10. Therefore 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Answer. So 1 by 2 of 10 equal to 5. Isn't it? So 10 balls you are going to divide it by 2 equal to 5 balls. Example 2. Finding fraction. To find 1/3 of the bird equal to how much? Yes, here we have 12 birds. Therefore, I am going to write the question. Find 1 by 3 of 12. Okay. 1 by 3 of 12 equal to, we know of means multiplication. Therefore, 1 by 3 into 12 equal to, next you are going to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Send it. Therefore, 1 into 12 equal to 12. 3 into 1 equal to 3. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Or you can go into ask how many 3's are there in 12? Yes, 4 3's are there. Therefore, answer 1 by 3 of 12 equal to 4. Example 3. Finding fractions. To find 1/4 of the apple. Yes, we know 1/4 means 1 by 4. Here we have 24 apples. That means we are going to write the question. Find 1 by 4 of 24 equal to what? Yes, 1 by 4 of 24 equal to, we know of means multiplication. 1 by 4 into 24. Next we are going to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Therefore 1 into 24 equal to 24. 1 into 4 equal to 4. 24 by 4. Isn't it? Next, how many 4's are there in 24? Yes, 6 4's are 24. It's correct. Therefore answer is 6. Example 4. Finding fraction. Solve 3 by 8 of 48 equal to what? Method 1. 3 by 8 of 48 equal to what? 3 by 8 of 48, we know of means multiplication. Therefore 3 by 8 into 48. First we are going to multiply numerator into numerator number, that is 3 into 48 equal to 144 divided by 8. Next you are going to divide. Here you are going to use long division method. 144 divided by 8. Okay, dear kids, I hope you know the long division method. Yes, how many 8s are there in 144? Yes, 18 8s are 144. Isn't it? Therefore, answer is 18. Method 2. 3 by 8 of 48. Here, first you are going to divide, then you are going to multiply with the numerator. Okay? First you are going to divide with denominator from numerator. After that you are going to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay? Here, how many 8s are there in 48? Yes, 6 8s are 48. Isn't it? 1 8s are 8, 6 8s are 48. I am going to cancel. Cancel is nothing but divide. Next I am going to multiply with numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 3 into 6 equal to 18. 1 into 1 equal to 1. It's correct now. Therefore 3 6 are 18. Therefore answer is 1 by 8 of 48 equal to 18. Next, example 5. Solve 2 by 5 of 25 equal to what? Method 1. 2 by 5 of 25. We know half means multiplication. 2 by 5 into 25. We are going to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Therefore, 2 into 25 equal to 50. 1 into 5 equal to 5. Next, we are going to divide 50 divided by 5. That means how many 5s are there in 50? Yes, 10 5s are 50. Therefore, answer is 10. Method 2. 2 divided by 5 of 25 equal to what? Yes, we know half means multiplication. That means 2 divided by 5 into 25. Next, we are going to cancel 5 and 25. That means how many 5s are there in 25? 1 5s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Isn't it? Next, you are going to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. You are going to multiply 2 into 5 and 1 into 1. Yes, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, answer is 10. Therefore, 2 divided by 5 of 25 equal to 10. Example 6. Finding fractions. Find 4 by 7 of 49 equal to what? 4 by 7 of 49. We know half means multiplication. 4 divided by 7 into 49. Yes. Next, you are going to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That means 4 into 49 divided by 7 equal to 196 divided by 7. Next, you are going to divide long division method. How many 7s are there in 196? Yes, 28 7s are there. Therefore, answer is 28. Method 2. 4 by 7 of 49 equal to what? Yes, 4 by 7 half means multiplication into 49. Next, you are going to cancel. That means you are going to divide 49 divided by 7. That means how many 7s are there in 49 means 7 7s are 49. Isn't it? Next, you are going to multiply 4 into 7 divided by 1. 4 7s are 28. Therefore answer is 28. So 4 by 7 of 49 equal to 28. Dear kids, same way you also try yourself. Dear kids, complete your content book and classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.